Welcome to another Smiling Colors video, friends. Let's unbox. I have the new Tombow VIP Club Kit, and inside it they have a 12 pack of pencils. This is the 8900 pencil set, and all of the pencils included are the 2B number 1. Next up, they have the Iragitan Desk Cup. This set comes with 18 colored pencils. These colored pencils are so beautiful. I'll leave a link in the description box to a video in which I show you how to use these colored pencils. They are very smooth, and I love the bright rainbow color that's included in this. Along with it, they also have this small travel size notebook. This has 40 pages in it and a custom cover that you can color using the colored pencils. Finally, in the box is also a sand and rubber eraser. This is my favorite eraser. You can use the sand to erase even colored pencils and markers. A great addition to your art supplies. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more information, check out the description box. Happy crafting!